Hi, I'm Teresa with Cuisinart, and here we have Cuisinart's 4 and 8 cup rice cooker and steamer in one. This is the 4 cup model, and it makes up to 7 cups of cooked rice. The 8 cup model makes up to 15 cups of cooked rice. And as you can see, it has a very attractive brushed stainless steel housing, a cook and warm feature with indicator lights. So basically, just to turn it on, you would press down like that. And the great thing about this is that once it's done cooking, it'll automatically switch to warm, so it'll keep your rice warm for hours. Another thing is that it comes with a stainless steel steaming basket. And this is, you can steam lots of things in this while your rice is cooking at the same time. Here we have asparagus and some peppers that we're going to place on top of the 8 cup. And this is for the 4 cups, some more asparagus. But in addition to vegetables, you can also steam chicken and shrimp. And it also comes with a measuring cup for the rice, as well as a mixing paddle. And here you have it, Cuisinart's rice cookers and steamers. You can make an entire meal with this one unit from fresh vegetables or steamed protein and cooked rice.